everybody, Cat Cora here. I'm going to show you how to make my Mango Mimosa Popsicles. Here we go. These are my popsicle molds here. And raspberries, I have mango juice, and I have champagne. Or you can use sparkling wine too. So the first thing you want to do with the mimosa is start with a really good champagne or sparkling wine. So I'm going to open that. You got to really be careful with opening a champagne. So I always keep my finger here, and then I get a towel on top because you don't want this to pop, break something, hurt somebody. So it's really a good idea to just be really cautious opening it. There's a lot of pressure behind opening champagne and sparkling wine. So that's where you get the fizz from, the bubbles. So I'm gonna open the cage. This is called a cage. I'm gonna open this up really good, get that going. And then I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna remove it really carefully. Once that comes off, there you go. Get that going and take the foil off around it as well. There we go. Now, I'm gonna put the towel over it, just to be safe. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna twist with your hand and hold the bottle, just like that. There you go. Opa! So, you've got the nice champagne pop. Now we can get down to making some really delicious popsicles. And you want a cup of champagne, there you go. So pour it slowly and at an angle, so you can get a full cup. There we go. Now I'm gonna pour that right into the bowl. Look at that. You see those bubbles, it's festive already. And I'm gonna pour in my mango juice. I'm gonna mix that really well, and it's super simple. It's just like making a mimosa, really simple. So it's champagne or sparkling wine and mango juice. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of these raspberries. You can also do strawberries, you can do whatever fruit you want as long as it fits in really nicely. I'm gonna drop a few in each one of the popsicle molds. There we go. And so now I'm going to take this, I'm going to pour really slowly right in here. I'm going to fill each one of the popsicle molds. There we go. You have a steady hand here. And I'm going to put them right on top. Just kind of fit them on there. Run them under water a little bit, and once you do, just pull them out, and voila, look at that. Those are so cool. Definitely tastes like a mimosa. Delicious.